Renef Foundation. Beyond the 16 days of activism against gender-based violence, what next?
That's right.
The right of every man are diminished when the right of a man are threatened. To deny people their human rights is to challenge their very humanity. But to deny people their human rights is to challenge their very humanity. Everyone deserves a life of goodness, oh na 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 na. You deserve a life of goodness, na 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 na. Everyone deserves a life of goodness, oh na 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 na. You deserve a life of goodness, na na na. Report abuse, violence and crime. Do not let anyone mess with your future. Report abuse, violence and crime. You deserve a life full of goodness. Report abuse, violence and crime. Do not let anyone mess with your future. Oh yeah. Report abuse, violence and crime. You deserve a life full of goodness. Until justice rolls down like water and righteousness like a mighty stream when resting. There may be times when we are powerless to prevent injustice and violence, but then we must never fail to protest. We must never fail at all costs. Everyone deserves a life of goodness, oh na 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 na. You deserve a life of goodness, na 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 na. Everyone deserves a life of goodness, oh na 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 na. You deserve a life of goodness, na na na. Report abuse, violence and crime. Do not let anyone mess with your future. Oh yeah. Report abuse, violence and crime. You deserve a life full of goodness.
End child abuse, end child marriage, end rape, end female genital mutilation, end sexual abuse, end physical abuse, end emotional abuse, end psychological and verbal abuse, end online abuse, end neglect, end abandonment of the physically challenged, end exploitation. It's not okay to deprive women from earning a living in their lives. Male gender also get abuse. End it now. Report abuse, violence and crime. You deserve a life full of goodness. Miss Nightingale 2023 is powered by Renef Foundation.
Main sponsors: Adansi Health Tourism, powered by Adansi Travel, Oba Spaghetti, Rambo Beef Pate, Diviconn Agency. Supporting sponsors: Tasty at Home, Flora Tissue, Top CHOCO, Best BeautyMagvil, Nyame Palace. Partner: UPNMG, Purple Angels Kids Foundation.
Ghana for nyina mamu nyina mo akwa babio about Miss Nightingale 2023. It's all about the healthy cooking. Minim say mu nyina mo ani age. Enne ye hye mo Glamour Hotel a e wo Sunyane. Any beauty queens that be shemu or has say 20 schools, 10 teams. Ebe nuwa eduane a apomudin wo mu. Moti ayo manana ka be mani gese mu gina ha sei na eduane no ekoso na etuhwa wa ha sei. Enti no Rena Foundation this year your theme no efa maternal and child health no. Your queens no so age na so anu eduane a omo hwa ebe boa ya pomudin na ma yanyi aye from fefefe. Mama yankone ko hwenye irabafo no Miss Nightingale 2023 Beauty and Professionalism. Miss Nightingale 2023. It is educative and impactful. Bye-bye.
Adansi Health Tourism, in collaboration with Reproductive Needs and Fitness Foundation, is offering a wellness trip full of fun and luxury to Abu Dhabi and Dubai. This package offers the winner of the Miss Nightingale 2023 pageant an all-expense paid trip by Adansi Health Tourism. Hop on and let's go have an unforgettable experience with lot of mind-blowing offerings. Rate is $1,650 per person sharing. But guess what? You get to pay just $500 to get you booked. No bank statement and other documents needed. This is a lifetime experience and you don't want to miss. Call to book 0531 008 522. Powered by Adansi Travels. Fuel life's beauty.
Tasty Tom tomato mix. Ufa kakra. Na ye bebre. Fa kakra yan kwani stew dodo a ope.
Tasty Tom dear. It will surely give you value for money. Steak and little is enough to get our desired quantity of stew and soup, and it doesn't color your meat or chicken.
Tasty Tom tomato mix into. Me handwriting and sada. Senande dene dia sa net into customers bar never.
I don't compromise on the quality of my food. Use Tasty Tom enriched tomato mix. This advert is FDA approved.
Fati, today what are your expectations from the ladies?
Okay, today I'm expecting the ladies to be to work as a team. That's teamwork and time consciousness.
All right, thank you. Auntie Abigail, what do you say?
We're expecting them to be organized. All right. And then, as my colleague said, we are expecting them to work as a team. Okay. Yes.
Auntie Abigail, yes, please, what are your expectations?
I'm actually, because we are health workers, I'm actually looking at the cleanliness, how you've organized your table, right? Yeah. I think the organization still comes in, but we focus on cleanliness because we need to eat healthy and hygienic. And then secondly, I'm looking at the aroma, and then most importantly, the taste.
So, aroma
it should smell good and it should taste well as well. Some foods can smell very good, but then the taste wouldn't be that good. So we are looking at a holistic and an all-inclusive something today. And then most importantly, health-wise, the dish should give us some health benefits and not just to eat to fill our bellies.
Hey, from the first qualities there, now my doing say ladies not fun easy, but the last one na can hold it there. A better what has say so.
Epede Kipu Wentara wa competition imwa. Dial star 447 star 200 hash. Wa network nyina. Queen B wa competition imwa. Dial star 447 star 200 hash. Wa network nyina.
Are you a nurse or a midwife in need of a loan or item to buy? Then I bring you good news from UPNMG. UPNMG Loans and Math gives you affordable loans at 11% and high purchase at 10%. Visit our website www.upnmg.com to download the forms and apply now. UPNMG, integrity and professionalism.
Spaghetti.
Pure human mix.
Get some to the house, it's so nice. Carbohydrate, energy, one more. Cook fast, eat well, content fiber.
So quality taste, great. 100% semolina, do wrong wheat.
Let's move to the ladies and have a chit chat with them. Come follow me. I got into some big size ladies and then they are making something. I'll let them talk about what they are cooking. What's your name?
I'm Queen Stella from Girls Nursing and Midwifery Training College.
And you are?
I'm Queen B from College of Nursing in Totroso, the only college built on solid gold.
Yay! So what are you cooking today?
We are cooking rice ball with granite soup and a chicken with pancake and fruit salad.
A mutu eridi pancake.
Yeah, it's a nice combination. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, so what are some health benefits we can get from pancake?
It can get vitamins from it. That's from the milk, and we can get fat from it. And we can also get some glucose from it.
All right. So what are you telling the only college built on gold? What are you telling your fans? What are you telling your students? Any message for them?
What I have to tell them is that they should keep on trusting me. I'm doing this because of them. So they shouldn't let me down. They should keep on voting by dialing *447*200# on all networks.
Okay. What about you? What are you saying to your fans?
Okay, I want to tell the people of God's One MCC that I love them, and then that's the reason why I'm in this competition. So they should keep supporting me by dialing *447*200# and then select Queen Stella on the go. God's One MCC, we are winning.
Yeah, God's One NTC, we are winning. So I've gotten to the plus sizes, the size that like a lady's my size. So I want to find out what they are making today. Who do I have here? Beautiful lady.
I'm Ohima from Presbyterian University, Ghana.
Who do I have here?
And I'm Quintasha from Asante Mampo NMTC.
Wow. So what are we making today?
Today we are making a special banku with okra stew.
I love the aroma already. And what is the banku going with?
The banku is going with some sumptuous okra stew with some desserts, which is banana smoothie and some chocolate bread pudding.
Yay! I'm stuck with your table. I'm not going anywhere again because I like the menu already.
You would enjoy it.
Really?
Enjoy it.
All right. So, what products are you using today?
Okay, so today we are using Tasty Tom and then.
What products are we using today?
We are using Tasty Tom, Oba, and then beef pate.
Wow. You have more to add.
Yeah, we have Dubai rice as well.
All right.
And then we have top choco too on our table.
Great.
Yes.
Great. All right. So from the menu that you gave out, what are some of the nutritional benefits children, mothers, and then adolescents can gain from this?
Yeah, there are, we have protein here, which is our goat's meat, protein papa. Yes, and some other vitamins from our fruit.
Okay.
Yes.
You have more to add. So the lady said I should go. They will not give me the food, so I'm going. What are your last words to your fans, your family, your classmates, your colleagues, and everybody?
Okay, so my greetings to everybody who is watching me, and then I plead on all of you to support me by liking, sharing, and commenting on all my pictures and videos on RNF Foundation platforms, and then vote for me as well. Through the short code *447*200#. The name is Ohima. Thank you.
Thank you, Ohima. Quintasha.
Yes, I want to tell my fans I love them so much, and I'll make them proud a second time. So they shouldn't forget to vote for me to the short code *447*200#, and then like all my pictures and videos on the RNF Foundation platform. Bye, love you so much.
Fans of Quintasha, she's saying she wants to make you proud the second time. Vote for her through her social media handles. Go like them, go comment on them, and then subscribe to all RNF Foundation platforms.
Epede Kipukwen Stella wa competition imwa. Dial *447*200# wa network nyina. Epede Kipukwen Tasha wa competition imwa. Dial *447*200# wa network nyina. Epede keep on hima for competition ima. Dial star 447 star 200 hash. One networking ina.
You'll ever taste.
Hi, baby.
Hi, Mom.
Hope you're having fun at Granny's.
Yeah, but Grandma doesn't have my favorite top choco chocolate spread. Hi, Mom. Mommy, please, I missed top choco chocolate spread on bread.
Tasty too. Made just for you and me. Choco, it's chocolate choco. It's chocolate choco. It's chocolate choco. Top choco, it's chocolate.
Surprise children.
Yay! It's chocolate choco.
The taste of chocolate.
Choco.
This advert is FDA approved.
They are busy covering something. Let's find out what they are making. Who do I have here?
Please, we have Queen Olivia.
All right, Queen Beauty, as she said. What are you making?
Oh, we are making yam eto with sausage, BBQ, and banana smoothie.
Wow. So what are some of your products for today?
Okay, so we have top choco, over spaghetti as well, and then Rambo beef pate. Yeah.
So what are some of the health benefits you're going to get from this yam eto you are making? I believe it has some nutritional values, right?
Exactly.
Share them with me.
So with the yam is nutritious. It has fiber in it. They know we need fiber to aid in digestion. It's rich in minerals, like it's rich in potassium, magnesium, and so many minerals. Yes, it's really good for our system.
What do you have to say? Do you have anything to add up to?
For the banana smoothie, for instance, we also get vitamins from banana, which is very good for our health, especially for our eyesight. It's really good. Thank you.
Okay, it was nice having you here. What do you have to say to your fans?
Okay, for now, all we need is our fans' votes. You can dial the short code *447*200# hash, and then you select Queen Olivia to vote for me. You can also subscribe to the Renee Foundation on all social media handles. You like, you share, and then you comment on all my pictures and videos. Thank you.
All right. Help her win by liking her pictures, commenting on them, and sharing them on all Renee Foundation social media handles. It was nice meeting you, ladies.
Thank you.
We will meet on the table.
Exactly.
I want to taste your food.
Yes.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Nyame Zolo.
Yo.
What would you also say?
Yo, which weasel?
Oh, okay.
Like
okay.
Afamere.
Kasa ofon.
Ofon.
Yo, esrode.
Aye.
How worry?
I get to bello.
Yo. Okay, so you drew voter region. I represent what Bruno and Hafo region. I have these beautiful ladies here bringing voter region all the way from Keta and Ho to Sunyane. Let's find out what they are making. Okay. So who do I have here?
Okay, Jesus Lane Wahima Enyunam, yes.
Hey, babe.
Yes.
Okay, from which school?
A whole nurses training college.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow. Who do I have here?
You have Tara from Keta Nursing Training College.
Wow. So what are we making?
Okay, so we are making a work play with ademe soup and abobitadi. You know the fish used for abobitadi is normally called Keta schoolboys.
Oh, okay.
And you know I'm from Keta.
Aye.
And I'm bringing Keta C all the way from Keta to
Sunyane.
Yes.
We like that.
Yeah.
So what do you think the nutritional value of the food you are making? What are some of the health benefits you're going to get from it?
Okay, so talking about the workplace with the ademedechi, the ademedechi is green leafy vegetables. Okay. That's basically the main
ingredients here, and we know the nutritional values we get from green leafy vegetables.
Tell us some.
So we get vitamin A, vitamin D. Yes, we get a lot.
Virtually all the vitamins.
Yes,
every
and even
vitamin.
Taking fruits, vegetables make you look fresh.
Wow.
Yes.
I want to look fresh.
Yes, so you have to taste.
That's why you look fresh.
Yeah, that's why.
Oh, okay.
I
like your color.
Thank you.
I'm jealous. All right. So what products are you using today?
Okay, so today we are using top choco spread for our bread rolls.
Okay.
You know, our food, we are basically focusing on local dishes.
Local dishes.
So from the dessert to the main meal is everything local.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. All right. I like that. So before I leave your desk, before the judges come inside, you put my own under the table.
Oh, sure.
Okay, we get it.
All right. So what are your last messages to your fans, your colleagues, your school? Everybody watching you.
Okay, so as they can see, whole NTC, as you can see, it's getting tougher. So tougher. So all I need from you is your support. Go like, comment, share all under all my pictures and videos on all Renee Foundation platforms: Twitter, IG, TikTok, and Facebook. Like, follow me and also vote for me by dialing *447 *200#, and then choose my name to vote for me. Yes, so that together we can bring the crown home. Yeah.
Together we can bring the crown home. Because of the flavor, the aroma, and everything here, I'm not concentrating. It's good you are all in the house watching us. Else you wouldn't be able to concentrate. Quintara,
hello.
What do you have to say to us?
Oh, miato. Enwa, fifi aete kamevo. Menya view. So I am counting on your support, your prayers, and of course the social media support. You have to follow Renee Foundation on social media platforms, and you can also dial *447 *200# for Quintera. Please vote for me to help me win this crown. Thank you.
Please vote for me to help me win this crown. It was nice meeting you, ladies. We will meet again.
Oh yes.
Don't forget to put my food under the table. I'll come for it.
When Olivia were competition in one, dial *447 *200# one networking in when Jesus led for competition in one, dial *447 *200# one networking in
Adansi Health Tourism, in collaboration with Reproductive Needs and Fitness Foundation, is offering a wellness trip full of fun and luxury to Abu Dhabi and Dubai. This package offers the winner of the Miss Nightingale 2023 pageant an all-expense paid trip by Adansi Health Tourism. Hop on and let's go have an unforgettable experience with lot of mind-blowing offerings. Rate is $1,650 per person sharing. But guess what? You get to pay just $500 to get you booked. No bank statement and other documents needed. This is a lifetime experience and you don't want to miss. Call to book 0531 008 522. Powered by Adansi Travels. Fuel life's beauty.
Are you a nurse or a midwife in need of a loan or item to buy? Then I bring you good news from UPNMG. UPNMG Loans and Mat gives you affordable loans at 11% and high purchase at 10%. Visit our website www.upnmg.com to download the forms and apply now. UPNMG, integrity and professionalism.
Okay, so it looks like you are almost done, right?
Yes, please.
Who do I have here?
Gift Queen Abena.
From?
UCC, University of Cape Coast.
Alright, who do I have on my left?
Queen Hager from KNMTC.
Confanochi.
Yes, please.
Alright. So what did you make today?
Eto.
Eto with?
With pear, kobe, granuts, and egg.
Wow. It looks interesting. So what are some of the products you used, Queen Abena?
Okay, so Dubai rice, Rambo beef pat, and we use Flora. That's what I'm holding right now, Flora tissue. And we even have Flora tissue even in my packet. It's really good. And we used top choco too and tasty tom.
Okay, so what are some of the health benefits we can get from a top?
For the plantain, we will get vitamin C and the vitamin K, as well as it is source in fiber or something.
Fiber.
Yes.
Okay, so what is the accompaniment for? What is the accompaniment for the eto?
So we are doing pineapple juice.
Okay.
We are almost done.
Alright.
We are just setting up and doing the deco for everything. So we are done with the apple juice.
So what are you telling your fans, your school, your family? What do you want them to hear? Tell them something.
I just want to tell them I love them so much. So they should keep me in this contest. By voting for me. I'll urge all KNMTC students, RM19 students to vote for me, to vote for me to be the queen for Miss Nightingale 2023.
Alright. What do you want to say, Queen Abena?
Okay, so I'm pleading and urging everyone, Central Region, University of Cape Coast, and Kumasi, where I live. I'm urging everyone to keep me in the competition, and to keep me in the competition, you have to vote to the short code *447 *200 # to the name Queen Abena. Thank you. You know I love you so much. Bye bye.
Bye bye. We love you so much. That is from Queen Hager and then Queen Abena.
Epede keep Queen Abena for competition imwa. Dial *447 *200 # one network in na. Epede keep Queen Hager for competition imwa. Dial *447 *200 # one network in na.
Tomato mix. Wouldn't so one on pass. Still loud. What tomato flavor no? No color changing like traffic lights. Cocoa, come on.
Tasty Tom dear. It will surely give you value for money. This thick and little is enough to get our desired quantity of stew and soup.
Taste not so dear. On point. Flavor near.
And it doesn't color your meat or chicken. I don't compromise on the quality of my food. Use Tasty Tom enriched tomato mix. This advert is FDA approved.
I'm Dede, Queen Dede.
Okay, from
National Midwifery Training College, Nyame.
Alright. On my right?
I'm Eunice Adora from CHNMTC Tunnels.
Wow. So what are we making today?
We are preparing yam fufu and light soup.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so what are some of the nutritional benefits you're going to get from yam fufu and then light soup?
Okay, so we picked the yam fufu because we think yam is it has good essential of iron.
Okay.
So we picked that one over the plantain and cassava. And with the goat's meat, we are going to get a lot of protein as well as the adjeni.
Say the one who's if I train goat's meat in your adrenaline and they will not be out there.
So can we So what products
are we using today?
Top Choco.
Okay.
Flora.
Okay.
And then Oba.
All right.
Rambo.
Okay.
And then I think Tasty Tom.
Okay.
It's also
A lot of products you've got here. So, what are your last words to your fans, your school, your classmates, your family, and everybody watching you?
I love them all, and they should keep me in this competition because it's getting tight. As they can see, I'm not the only one. You can see beautiful ladies and then fluent ladies as well. So I plead them and urge them all to vote for me as Miss Nightingale for 2023, and the short code is 44*447*200#. Thank you.
Welcome. So, what do you want to tell your fans, Queen Dede?
Okay, so what I want to tell the people out there is I love everyone and I don't want anyone to exempt him or herself from voting for me because this is a tough competition. And without them, I'm nothing. I'm just an empty vessel. So they should just vote for me by dialing *447*22200# with the name Dede, DE, and they are going to be blessed.
Okay, and they are going to be blessed. Queen Dede, DE, as she said. Keep her in the competition by voting for her, liking on her pictures, commenting on them, and then sharing them from the Renef Foundation handles on all social media platforms. Thank you.
Epede keep Queen Dede wa competition ni mwa. Dial *447*200# wa network nyina. Epede keep Queen Eunice wa competition ni mwa. Dial *447*200# wa network nyina. Epede keep Queen Ruth wa competition ni mwa. Dial *447*200# wa network nyina.
Am I not forgetting something?
Yes, obviously. Flora Mini.
Thank you. Can I use the washroom, please?
Sure. Flora disposable handkerchief.
You obviously aren't using Flora tissues, my dear, because the Flora tissues, they are soft and easy on the skin and they leave no particles. Are you okay? Do you want to use the washroom?
Yes.
Okay, come on.
Hey, broke uncle. I will tell auntie.
Fat Chemi, I just love how it feels.
Adansi Health Tourism, in collaboration with Reproductive Needs and Fitness Foundation, is offering a wellness trip full of fun and luxury to Abu Dhabi and Dubai. This package offers the winner of the Miss Nightingale 2023 pageant an all-expense-paid trip by Adansi Health Tourism. Hop on and let's go have an unforgettable experience with lot of mind-blowing offerings. Rate is $1,650 per person sharing. But guess what? You get to pay just $500 to get you booked. No bank statement and other documents needed. This is a lifetime experience and you don't want to miss. Call to book 0531 008 522. Powered by Adansi Travels. Fuel life's beauty.
Finally, yaba jumedie no ewieye. Nika aduane ni nyina ahwe. Ampa akomodin wo mu ampa edem so na emomu no agro bia mu nyeyi ni odikan nyeyi ni otwato enti no ne eduru so mebobbo afri ni otwato no na yeduru ni odikan no na dwuma de ebedi ye so ne aboafo so yase omman ne ma bebru ento bia oba ha bia ebenya bibi akọ enti yebeda ya aboafo nyina se Rambo beef pat Oba spaghetti, tasty tom, Flora tissues, top CHOCO. So maso ya sini ama program yi IFF kama. Senkanya omu anka. Yentimi nye dwumadie we de mu nyina ase. Edase ebi nso mra bio. Edase bebre. Enti mabobọ every no twa ato akọ ni odi kan ne so. Hey, ladies, when you ready? Yes. Okay, so time from them the back to her. Your defense from 2 me the battle one my started free. Your D 9th. And for the 9th position, group 6, team 6. So taking the 6th position, team 2 and team 5. Team 2 and team 5. Obilium. Oh, I'm sure I won't worry. Team 2, Queen Dede. Queen Dede. D. position now, automatically one man mode, you now your last. When I hear you channel swell. And see, the first position goes to team 9. Recipe, those are moving here. What are the recipe, ma'am?
Miss Nightingale 2023 is powered by Renef Foundation.
Main sponsors: Adansi Health Tourism, powered by Adansi Travel, Oba Spaghetti, Rambo Beef Pate, Diviconn Agency. Supporting sponsor: Tasty Home, Flora Tissue, Top Choco, Best BeautyMagvil, Nyame Palace. Partner: UPNMG, Purple Angels Kids Foundation.
Renef Foundation. Beyond the 16 days of activism against gender-based violence, what next?
That's right. The right of every man are diminished when the right of a man are threatened. To deny people their human rights is to challenge their very humanity. But to deny people their human rights is to challenge their very humanity. Everyone deserves a life of goodness, oh na 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 na. You deserve a life of goodness, na 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 na. Everyone deserves a life of goodness, oh na 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 na. You deserve a life of goodness, na na na. Report abuse, violence and crime. Do not let anyone mess with your future. Report abuse, violence and crime. You deserve a life full of goodness. Report abuse, violence and crime. Do not let anyone mess with your future. Oh yeah. Report abuse, violence and crime. You deserve a life full of goodness. Until justice rolls down like water and righteousness like a mighty stream when resting. There may be times when we are powerless to prevent injustice and violence, but then we must never fail to protest. We must never fail at all costs. Everyone deserves a life of goodness, oh na 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 na. You deserve a life of goodness, na 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 na. Everyone deserves a life of goodness, oh na 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 na. You deserve a life of goodness, na na na. Report abuse, violence and crime. Do not let anyone mess with your future. Oh yeah. Report abuse, violence and crime. You deserve a life full of goodness. Make my yaka yaka here.
challenged and exploitation. It's not okay to deprive women from